Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review between these two distro platforms, which is TUXEDO and Linux Mint. Let's quickly dive into it. Talking about TUXEDO OS. TUXEDO OS is a KDE plasma-based distro focused on performance, sleek design, and excellent compatibility with TUXEDO hardware. It's polished, fast, stable, which also make it a good choice for powerful user who value customization and modern desktop. The drawback is that it's smaller community and fewer pre-installed convenience compared to other distros, which can make troubleshooting harder for beginners. Linux Mint, on the other hand, is a golden standard for beginners with its user-friendly desktop pre-installed codec and out-of-the-box stability. It's simple, lightweight, and great for Windows snitchers or switchers. The trade-off is that it's more conservative with update and less cutting-edge than TUXEDO OS. So in conclusion, TUXEDO OS is better for advanced users seeking power and customization, while Mint is the safer option or safer choice for those who just want things to work for them. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.